Valentine's is here, love is in the air, there's new cosmetics. I prefer these ones specifically. Smooching. Anyway, but I have a theory. Another theory. And this one revolves around base. Oh yes, all these, and this has stayed for some reason. But everything's normal, everything's the same until you say that. This is a photo taken in real life, pixelated down to the monkey size. We will be getting monkey merch! I demand it! He's holding a stick. And I demand we get Gorilla Tag merch by April. But anyway, that's just a theory. A monkey theory!